Yep, we decided to build a bonfire. And right now it's just Katie and Daniel just sitting here on our property, burning a fire on our land. To those of you troll motherfuckers that don't got shit, don't own shit, ain't gonna amount to be shit, never were shit, fuck all your shit. Yep, fuck all you trolls.